Welcome back to the next edition of Real People, Real Questions. This time we're in the beautiful Toscana because why always be in the office, right? So let's check out the question and go for the answers. Please introduce yourself and what's your question?
Hi, good morning. My name is Tiba. Okay, my question is basically how do I read people's body language? Because what they portray sometimes may be different
Correct,
compared
right?
to what exactly they have.
So the words don't match to what they do later, correct?
Yeah.
Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. We're going to answer the question. Thanks. The point is very valid. Words only carry so far. As we've realized many times when people speak and say certain things, we're like, did they really mean what they say? Or I'm not sure whether these guys are really understanding, bought in, or in agreement. How do we tell the difference? Well, fairly simply put, words only 7%, tonality 38%, and body language 55%, which means the following thing. Especially today in the Zoom age, when we don't see the full body of the people, we don't know. They will speak, we'll only see a very small face in front of us, and we'll have to get the clue. Have they understood me? Do they have a question? Do we have their buy-in? Do we have complete understanding? How does it work? Words being 7%, people will give you the yes or I can do it. The first level is this. When people use conditionals, you will absolutely disregard them. Try, maybe, should, in a way, are not acceptable. What do I mean by that? The brain is binary. It can handle a yes and a how and a when, or a no and a why. And that means if the no stays a no, well, then it's a no. But if we say I try, it is a half-baked intention of cooperation, but it doesn't mean that you fully committed. The brain is binary, yes or no. So here's the first level. When people say yes, you will ask them how, when, and how they will do it and what support they need. If they say no, great, why not? That means that, for example, we need these boxes shipped to New York, but New York was eaten by Godzilla. That's a no, so let's not even go and negotiate a maybe. So if the no can be turned into a yes, New York is still there, but DHL is on strike, we'll have to go with another provider, that'll take another week. This turns from maybe into a new yes and how. Yes, acceptable, who, what, when, how. No, acceptable, no, why. If the no stays a no, it's done. We're not going to go there. If the no can be fixed by using another courier to send stuff to New York, it'll take a week longer. Done. It's a new yes. Level 1. Level 2, tonality. Can you fix this by tomorrow? Yes. You know something is afoot. Not that the person is negative or not cooperative, there's a doubt. The tone was pause, yes, long drawn, listen to that. You always listen to the tone. And the best test is to ask somebody, are you married? Yes. Well, it's a simple yes. The answer is very clear. Can you do it by tomorrow? Yes. You are like, wait a second, I'm missing out something. How can I help you? That's the next step. So tone, doubt, question, pause. Those are the things that will give away whether a person is fully present or not. Next on the list is body language, of course. Body language is the most important giveaway. And in the video situation, Zoom or Teams, it's always the eyebrows and the eyes. Are they fully focused, or their head is it tilted? Are they looking like this? Are they looking like that? Are they really present? That is a thing that you have to start reading with intense focus. Is the person really there? Are you having a real feeling that the person is present? As long as the face has got tension in it, you know that there's doubt. Why? Because thoughts are nothing but electricity. When two thoughts are bumping into each other contradictorily in the brain, it's as if two electric currents are bumping into each other and they create tension. And that you can see in the micro muscle movements in the face. Once a person has understood, you're going to see the face relaxes completely. They're like, oh, that makes sense. Gotcha. Start observing faces on Zoom or on Teams, for example. The rest is the body language. Crossed arms, open legs. Are they shaking their hands? Are they shaking their feet? Learn how to read those signs, and you're going to realize relaxed is relaxed. Tense is tense. And that's how you start realizing whether the people are present, committed, or not. Start training it, observe people like a movie director and see, how are they feeling? And you're going to start seeing things you've never seen before.